In this video, we're going to take a look at how to make tree maps for one variable in Excel. Here I have the variable items sold per day, and to make a tree map, select the data loan, go to Insert, click on Insert Hierarchy Chart, and in that select tree map. Now my tree map is created. I can customize that by changing the chart title. I can also change the colors of the tree map in the Design tab in Excel. I can go for a colorful scheme or for a monochromatic scheme. Alternatively, you can double click on one segment of the tree map and click Format Data Point. Format Data Point window will open, and in Fill and Line you can click on Solid Fill and select the color that you want. You can do the same for the rest of the segments in the tree map. You can further customize the tree map by clicking on the plus icon on the top right corner of the tree map. You can bring the legend to the right and adjust the tree map in such a way that all the data labels are visible. So that's how you make a tree map for one variable in Excel.